everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video we will discuss about physics. Okay, so let's start physics. In this video we will discuss about physics. So first of all, I would like to introduce that what is physics. Okay, the branch of science which deals with natural events is called physics. Okay. So what is physics? The branch of science. The definition of physics, that the branch of science which deals with natural events is called physics. Okay. Physics is a branch of science. It is a branch of science which deals with natural event. Natural event means any activity that is done by the nature is called natural event. Like when we strike two stone, then there is a emission of light. There is a emission of light, sound, and the surface become hot. Okay, so this all thing, that is light, sound and heat, we study in physics. Okay, so that's why we say that the branch of science which deals with natural event is called physics. Okay, or you can also write like this, or the branch of science which deals with natural events and laws of nature is called what? Physics. Okay. Second definition, that is the branch of science which deals with natural event and laws of nature is called physics. Okay. Okay, you can also write like this. The branch of science which deals with natural event and laws of nature is called physics. Okay, the branch of science which deals with natural event, it means any activity that is done by the nature is called natural event, and laws of nature means regular phenomena is known as laws of nature. Okay, is called physics. Or you can also write like this, the branch of science which deals with physical quantities is called physics. Okay, or you can also write like this, that the branch of science which deals with physical quantities. Okay, here's new word, that physical quantity. Okay, so what is physical quantity? The quantity which can be measured are called physical quantities. Okay, the quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities. Okay, like you can say mass, distance, time, area, volume. Okay, you can also say. Okay, so this one is also a definition of physics. There is three definition of physics. That first one is the branch of science which deals with natural event. Okay, natural event, it means any activity that is done by the nature is called natural event. Okay, the branch of science which deals with natural event is called physics. And our next definition is, the second definition is, the branch of science which deals with natural event and laws of nature is called physics. Okay, laws of nature, it means regular phenomena. Okay, and our third and last definition of physics is the branch of science which deals with physical quantities. Physical quantities is called physics. Physical quantity, it means the quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities, like area, mass, volume. You see, there are many examples of physical quantities. Okay, so I hope you understand that what is physics. Now, let's see what is physical quantity. Okay. Physical quantities. Physical quantities. Okay, let's see what is physical quantities. The quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities. Are called physical quantities. Okay. What is physical quantity? The quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities. Okay, like for example, mass, time, distance, force, force, area, and many examples of physical quantities. Okay. So, what is physical quantities? The quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities. Okay. Mass, distance, time. See, mass can be measured in gram and kilogram, and time is measured in second, minute, hour. Okay. So you hope you understand that what is physical quantities. The quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities. Okay. And what is non-physical quantities? Non-physical quantities. What is non-physical quantities? The quantities which cannot be measured are called non-physical quantities. Okay. The quantities which cannot be measured are called non-physical quantities. Are called non-physical quantities. Okay. The quantities which cannot be measured are called non-physical quantities, like beauty, blackness, for example. Beauty, blackness, whiteness, you see? Okay. We cannot say that how much this board is white. Okay, we can only feel that this one is white. Okay, and this one is black. Okay, we can only feel this. We cannot measure it. Okay, so the quantities which cannot be measured are called non-physical quantity, and the quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities. Okay, so I hope you understand that what is physical quantities and what is non-physical quantities. Okay, physical quantities, the quantities which can be measured, like mass, volume, area, etc. And non-physical quantity, the quantity which cannot be measured are called non-physical quantities, like sweetness, beauty, blackness, whiteness. We can't measure this all thing. Okay. And now let's see the types of physical quantities. Okay. There are three types. Physical quantities. There are three types of physical quantities. First one is vector quantity. Vector quantity. Vector quantities. First one is vector quantity. Second is scalar quantity. Scalar quantities. And last One is tensor quantities. Okay. Tensor quantities. There are three types of physical quantity. First one is vector quantity, scalar quantity, and tensor quantity. Okay, so let's see that what is vector quantities. Okay. Vector about vector quantities. Okay. Let's see about what vector quantity is. Quantities. Okay. The physical quantity. The physical quantities which have magnitude as well as specified direction. As well as a specified direction and obey laws of vector addition. Are called vector quantities. Are called vector What is vector quantity? The physical quantity which have magnitude as well as specified direction and obey laws of vector addition are called vector quantities. Okay. Magnitude means you can say geometrical length. Okay. Or specified direction, it means fixed, or you can also say certain direction. Okay. And obey laws of vector addition. Okay. Are called physical quantities. Okay. So I hope you understand that what is physical quantity. The physical quantities which have magnitude, specified direction and obey the laws of vector addition. Okay. Are called physical quantities. Okay. Okay. We this video that the definition of physics. What is physics? The branch of science which deals with natural event is called physics, or you can also say the branch of science which deals with natural events and laws of nature is called physics, or you can also write like this: the branch of science which deals with physical quantities is called physics. Okay. And what is physical quantity? The quantities which can be measured. The quantities which can be measured are called physical quantities, like mass, time, distance, area, volume, etc. There are many examples of physical quantities. And what about Non-physical quantity. What is non-physical quantities? The quantities which cannot be measured are called non-physical quantities, like beauty, blackness, whiteness, sweetness, okay, kindness. We can only feel. We can't measure, okay. We can only this whole thing. We can only feel beauty, okay, beauty, blackness, whiteness. We can only feel. We cannot measure it. And we also discussed about types of physical quantities. That is, first one is vector quantity, second one is scalar quantity, and third one is tensor quantity. Okay. And what is vector quantities? The quantity which have magnitude, specified direction, and obey the laws of vector addition are called vector quantities. Okay. Magnitude, it means you can say, in simple meaning you can say geometrical length, okay. And specified direction, it means fixed, or you can also say certain direction, okay. And obey laws of vector addition. Okay. Next, so I hope you understand the video. So I hope you understand all the things that we learned today. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.